Hello guys, welcome to Caribou U English. Do you like geography? For some reason, geography has always been my favorite subject. I just think it's fascinating to learn about this planet that we live on. And I think that there's a lot of idioms in English related to geography or the earth. So let's check out top 12 idioms related to geography. Number 1, on cloud 9. If you are on cloud 9, that means you're very, very happy. You can say, when I got the news from my school, I was on cloud 9. What was the news? The news was I got 100% on my exam. So I was on cloud 9. Dirt cheap. This means that you can buy something for very little money. You could say, I went to this restaurant and it was great because they had food and the food was dirt cheap, but it was delicious. Down to earth. It's a way to describe a person's character or personality when they are easy to talk to, honest, chill, not uptight. You can say, I have a friend named Steven. I really like him because he's down to earth. Fair weather friend. This is a friend who is not going to be there for you during tough times. They're only going to be there for you when things are good. So that's a fair weather friend. You could say, my friend Jamie, he's okay, but he's a fair weather friend and he doesn't really help me when I need help. Go downhill. This is when things in your life start getting worse and bad things are happening. You can say, my life was going pretty well, but then around December, things started to go downhill. Or, how is your business doing? My business was good, but things are going downhill right now, so it's getting worse. Hit the road. That just means I'm going to leave. If you're out at a party with friends, you can say, this party has been great, but it's time for me to hit the road. I'll see you later. Keep one's head above water. Well, whenever I see someone swimming in the ocean like this from above, I always expect to see a shark swimming by. Maybe I've just seen too many of those shark movies. But keep one's head above water means that you are surviving in a tough situation. So if you got a new job and the job is hard, somebody says, how is your new job? You can say, it's hard, but I'm keeping my head above water. I'm doing okay. Know which way the wind blows. So which way does the wind blow? Does it blow that way? Does it blow that way? This just shows that you know what is happening. You know what's going on. You know the situation. You could say, things are confusing, but you just got to know which way the wind blows and you'll be okay. Out of the woods. So out of the woods means basically that you were in a tough situation, but now you're okay. You could say, last month was really tough, but we're out of the woods now. We're out of the woods. Think of the woods as like a dark, hard place to be in. You can say, yeah, it was tough, but now we're out of the woods. Sorry about that construction over there. My neighbors are actually building a nice temple beside me. It's really cool, but it's loud. Over the hill. So this is when it's almost like out of the woods too. It's when you're doing something tough, like walking up a hill. But when you get over the hill, things are easier. So you can say, I was really sick last week, but I think I'm over the hill now and I'm feeling better. Quick as lightning. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just when somebody does something really fast. So if you're playing football, you can say, wow, my buddy kicked the ball and then ran down the field quick as lightning. The tip of the iceberg. So below the ocean, much more of the iceberg can be seen. But above the ocean, we can only see the tip. So we use this expression to talk about things unknown. You can say, well, I heard the story on the news, but I think that corruption is just the tip of the iceberg. So there you go, guys. Those are the idioms about geography. Let's review. We'll go backwards. Tip of the iceberg. Quick as lightning. Over the hill. Out of the woods. Know which way the wind blows. Keep one's head above water. Hit the road. Go downhill. Fair weather friend. Down to earth. Dirt cheap. On cloud nine. On cloud nine. So those are the 12 idioms related to geography. If you want to practice, I'll make a little quiz. You can see the quiz in this video here. And I hope that you learned something today. And study geography. It's good for your mind and it's fun to talk about. All right. Have a nice day.